On January morning in 2025, the peaceful neighborhoods and scenic hills of Southern California's Palisades region were met with an unexpected catastrophe. The day began calmly, with winter serenity permeating the air, but suddenly, chaos ensued as a spark, likely from a fallen power line, ignited the dry, brittle vegetation that had been fueled by months of relentless drought. At first, the situation seemed under control. Fire crews hurried to the scene, confident in their ability to contain the blaze. However, fierce winds gusting at nearly 60 miles per hour carried embers far and wide, igniting new fires across the region. In a matter of hours, the fire transformed into a raging inferno, devouring hillsides and inching perilously close to residential neighborhoods. Evacuation alerts sent families into a frenzy of panic. Streets became congested with cars as residents hurriedly gathered their most cherished possessions, family photos, heirlooms, and beloved pets, all while thick, suffocating smoke spread across the horizon. Among those racing against time was David, a dedicated schoolteacher who rushed home to save his dogs, finding them trembling under his bed. With flames creeping dangerously close to his street, David swiftly scooped up his beloved companions, ensuring their safety. Helicopters roared overhead, releasing gallons of pink fire retardant, while courageous crews fought relentlessly on the ground. But despite their valiant efforts, the fire continued to advance. By nightfall, it breached containment lines, threatening the very heart of Los Angeles and casting an eerie orange glow upon the city skyline. The devastation was broadcasted live by the news outlets, entire neighborhoods reduced to nothing but ash, wildlife fleeing in desperation, and hills ablaze in all directions. The magnitude of the fire became starkly evident in a viral video taken from a passenger plane, revealing a vast ocean of flames stretching as far as the eye could see. The toll of this disastrous event was overwhelming. Thousands of homes were lost, leaving families displaced and seeking shelter in overcrowded evacuation centers. However, amid the tragedy, acts of heroism emerged. Firefighters risked their lives to rescue trapped residents. Communities united to support those in need, and a selfless teenager's online fundraiser garnered thousands of dollars for affected families. Weeks of tireless firefighting eventually subdued the flames, but the aftermath left the once lush and vibrant Palisades region a barren, blackened wasteland. Yet hope persevered. In the face of immense destruction, communities came together to rebuild, using this tragedy as a catalyst to address the pressing issue of climate change. Scientists, policymakers, and residents alike vowed to adopt sustainable practices determined to prevent such catastrophic events from becoming the norm. The 2025 Southern California wildfire was a stark reminder of nature's unfathomable power and the vulnerability of humanity, but it also showcased the indomitable spirit of resilience. Even in the midst of immense destruction, unity and hope illuminated the path forward.